Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to optimize settings on your LG Smart TV just 1 minute. First, you need to go to the settings page. In this page, go to the all settings. In all settings, you can find support menu. Under support menu, you will see quick help. Select it to access the optimization settings. In quick help, you will find optimization settings. Take a moment to see what options are available for your TV. Choose the setting that suit your need and press optimizations to apply them. Your TV will adjust to those new settings. And that's it. Your LG Smart TV is now optimized. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share Nera Everything YouTube channel for more tips. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I will reply to all. Thanks for watching.